subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Xiaomi is all set to launch its new flagship 5G device under Mi 10 series called Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro. And before the launch, the upcoming Mi 10T Pro phone's renders were surfaced online with some key specifications. According to leaks, the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro will support a flat 6.67-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with 144Hz refresh rate. The screen will feature a hole punch at the top left corner that will house a 20-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone appears to have a triple camera setup at the top left corner in a squarish module including LED flash and a sensor that could be a laser autofocus system. The triple rear cameras of the phone is set to include a 108-megapixel main camera along with the 20-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 8-megapixel telephoto lens. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone will pack with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage. The device will come equipped by a large 5000 mAh battery with fast charging support, and it will run on latest Android 10 with MIUI 12 skin on top. Additionally, the leak renders also suggest the phone to feature an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it will come in black, grey, light blue and silver color options. Now, talking about the pricing. The Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro is reported to price for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at €640, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option will be priced in between €665 to €675. And apart from this, there is no other details of Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.